Bagamat mahirap ang kalagayan natin ngayon, hindi ito magiging hadlang sa pag-abot ng ating mga pangarap. Pangarap ang naging sandigan namin. At bilang simpleng tao na dumaan sa matitinding pagsubok, hindi kami sumusuko. Walang imposible sa atin basta't may sipag, tiyaga at tamang direksyon ka. Ang tagumpay ay hindi lamang para sa sarili, kundi sa layunin magbigay ng inspirasyon at pag-asa sa iba.
This is my time to shake, this is my time to break. This is my time to rise, take a piece of that cake. This is my time to eat, I was given a taste. I was too small to see, now I got what it takes. I got all that I need, I got all that you want. Writing is on the wall, I ain't changing no font. I ain't accepting no more, ain't got nothing to prove. In the end of the day, all that's left is the truth.
I'm Eric T. Abad, Team Duplicants, Agent of Hope. I am worldwide.